when we started to form an association, there was some misunderstanding between IMOs and others, so they did not attend the meeting where we selected Aadhaar. I do agree. But for the purpose of registering, I got this number done and I insisted and I waited for almost 3 weeks to see that their representatives are included in the office. And that's how Girish, Vinay, Archana were included. Later on, even then I do agree that for the number of IMOs, their strength is less. On one hand side, if I start doing election immediately or in 2-3 months, the present office bearers may not be happy, and I have not given work to most of them. Whomever I have given work, they have done very well. I am very happy. Some people, because of family problems or personal problems, they are not able to concentrate in the association work. Even today, I request them if they have got personal work or some problems, they may propose somebody else's name and see that the association work goes on. That's the personal request. So, regarding this representation of IMO, I felt that their representation is less. But at the same time, if I say that whoever being formed as an association, if I ask them to resign and go for an election, we will be assessing these people's eligibility, functional capacity and others. So there may be split. For that purpose, I have got one proposal. If general body agrees, I will go with that. Or if general body insists that we will have to go for election in 6 months, I will conduct elections. My proposal is increase 3 posts. One is assistant vice president, other is joint secretary, one more associate secretary. These 3 posts I want to increase, and it has to be intimated to the registrar of the cooperative society to see that it is confirmed. And these people, IMOs will be nominated for this purpose. If you are happy with this, we will conduct election now itself for these 3 posts, and we will continue with the existing committee for 1 more year. If you say that no, we don't want the existing committee, we will go for elections, I am open. Within 6 months, we will go for elections. I want your opinion.
We can take off here. Then again we can reassess. Then we can decide that time. Then we can go for the extra 1 month.
No.
Can you please repeat? 6 months.
6 months. 6 months.
6 months on observation.
6 months we can wait.
No,
Again
wait
we'll do a
and
meeting.
see, there is no wait and watch policy. Either we have to decide that by 6 months we will go for election, or else after 6 months what will you do? If they are doing, if their performance is very good, what will you do?
Continues.
Again you call for a general body meeting and decide and then do it.
Let there be some voting, sir. I mean,
Secret
opinion without practically, so then you can see what's the maximum.
My point. Repeat. My point is that committee continue for another 6 months. We will reassess. If everything is fine, then we will continue for the future.
No, if you say reassess, That means that present assessment is not good.
Sir, done now, sir. Nothing is there to assess now.
No, I think reassess means re-examination. That's why I know, sir, refresher. He said fail again next time exam something.
There's a valid point in saying we'll reassess after 6 months. Sorry, I think we'll reassess after 6 months. Not really.
Understand? But what do you mean by reassess? What do you mean by reassess?
Same question I want to ask. Oh, what do you mean by reassessment? How do you reassess? But at least you set some goals for us from this kind of committee. What you want us to do? One thing you can tell, whatever agenda you can tell, we will try to get those things done first. And after 6 months you want to reassess means at least set some goal for us, then only we can reach. Unless simply tell reassess 6
Regarding
months.
fighting and all, I am not for fighting. I tell you. Now they see.
It's not about fighting, sir. We're just trying to tell that. See, we don't know how this functions till now. So we'll just see for 6 months. You are just asking us to decide on the spot. No? We don't know what has happened. Any of us don't know. Okay, we'll assess it. We'll assess it. We'll assess for 6 months and then decide.
So
This is what we told. 1 year is too long.
So in 2 months.
Sir, it will be confusing if it is a reassessment. We will have a fresh elections. If the committee is going well, all of us, they will be elected. Something like that we can do.
That is okay.
We will do election again.
That means you want election at 6 months.
Yes,
No, but you don't bring the issue of reassessment.
Yes, sir.
Because
It will be
if you
confusing
say
and,
reassessment, your performance is not good at this time, so we will see for another 6 months. Within 2 months, see, I have gone to each and everybody to become members. I have collected so many people, and 128 members have become life members. We have mobilized 1.35 lakhs, and we have registered the association. We have opened the bank account. We have started the website. We have inaugurated in these 2 months. I am telling you that. Apart from that, I don't think that within 2 months nobody will do all this work. So, after 6 months, definitely you will say that even if I go to headquarters and get everything, all probationary promotions, everything sanctioned, then you will say, no, I don't know anything, I don't know what you have done. So, because there is no goal, anybody can say that your performance is not good. So, it is better to have an election at the end of 6 months.
Yes.
If you feel that all are working well, let us continue. Or if youngsters come and join and work, it is better.
Yes.
Okay. Elections in 6 months, we need not have additional members, because if I take additional members, I have to inform registrar and then again spend some amount for registration or other things. Huh? That is
Consensus.
6 months is consensus. Huh? 6 months, okay. And there is 6 months carriers. One is IMO and the other is specialist. From now onwards, there is nothing called absorbed or IMO is MBBS or diploma. There are only 2 things, IMO and specialist. If at all, if the floor agrees, we will alternate between specialist and IMO. All the posts except honorary president. Honorary president is the person who will become honorary after president. Next president will become honorary president. She has become already without becoming president. Everybody is raising questions. Huh? What do you say?